The Sego mobile Lightbox is a versatile and innovative display for trade shows, retail, expos, and events alike. Anywhere from a 3-foot wide to a 20-foot island, the Sego has you covered, with universal parts that can be replaced at any time. Assembly is user-friendly and straightforward, with easy-to-understand instructions. Parts are comprised of strong composite plastics and lightweight aluminum, breaking down small for travel. Offered in multiple configurations, each Sego is fully compatible with its counterparts. Start small and expand later. Segos are compatible with each other. Order connector pieces that allow you to align, stack, and even arch your existing Segos into new structures. SEG graphics are a cinch and can be ordered separately for a fresh new look. Cut assembly time in half. Universal parts make it easy to put up and take down on the show floor, allowing for more time to focus on what matters. Vibrant LED lights provide a dominating trade show presence, allowing your brand to shine over the competition. Whether it be generating leads, making a great first impression, or simply just looking your best, the Sego mobile Lightbox sets the standard. Consider lightboxshop.com for your next exhibit experience.